The F35 EDF jet, the FX9635 by DEERC. Second set of maiden flights still did not go so well. In this vid, I will try to do a talk-through of the flight.
Hand tossing at 50% in mode A, with low rudder. Changing over to mode B. Now, I'm riding the wind, with very little throttle. Just changed to high rudder, I'm beginning to stall, and fall right on that rudder, gotta give a bit more throttle to pull out. Change to C mode for loop, back to B mode, still in high rudder, look it was getting ready to stall. Going into C mode for roll completed, and back to mode B, back to mode C, for roll, out of mode C and back to B mode. I hit mode C, with high rudder and pulled up, and back to mode B, it was getting ready to stall. Turning right, followed by a left roll, in mode C, at high rudder, about 60% throttle, and switch back to mode B, with a strong tailwind. I slingshotted out of the left turn at 100% throttle, I hit mode C and attempted to right roll. Pull up. Damn it! I could not pull out of roll and crashed as if it stalled.
The F35 EDF jet, the FX9635 by DEERC.